Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use picture-in-picture on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first thing first, if we want to use the picture-in-picture, we have to activate the picture-in-picture on our setting. We can go to our setting on our Android mobile phone and go to the app setting. You can scroll down to find the app setting, this one guys, and then click on the three dots on the top right and go to spatial access. And here, as you can see, we have a couple of options we can choose, and since we want to use the picture in picture, we can click on picture in picture. And right here you can choose the application you want to activate the picture in picture on, and as you can see, I have activated picture in picture on all my application. Actually, not all my application, but the application which support the picture in picture. And I'm going to use the picture in picture on my Zoom meeting application. I'm going to open my Zoom meeting application and I'm going to create new meeting. Wait guys, it's still loading, just hold on. Okay, and I'm going to show you how this picture in picture works. I'm going to minimize this Zoom meeting, so I'm going to click on this home button. Okay, and this is the result. Right after you activated the picture in picture, you'll be able to open the application in the picture in picture mode like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can use picture in picture on our mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.